causing my buzzing?
Shelly time!
Hey guys, my name's DJ Shelly, and today I'm here at Pat's Music Store in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, because I keep hearing some strange buzzing noise from my speakers. And I'm not quite sure what's causing the problem. So today I'm here with Pat, and we are going to isolate the issue, meaning that we're going to hook up the entire set of equipment and then take it apart piece by piece, wire by wire, because even though the buzzing noise is coming from my speaker, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's the speaker causing the problem. It could be my amplifier, it could be my wireless microphones. So today we're here at Pat's and they're going to help me out. Come along. Tested the amplifier and the mix deck, and so far we don't think it's that.
So far, I don't think it's that. Another thing.
Check 1 2. Check 1 2.
Now wait.
Okay, so now we've checked our first wireless microphone and receiver into the first input in the front of our mix deck. So now we're going to check the input in the back of the mix deck. Test 1 2. Test 1 2.
What's the dance mix like?
Still no buzzing. So now it's not the cord, it's not the wireless microphones, it's not the inputs from the mix deck. So we're going to have to test a few more things out.
I mean, the cable sounds. I mean, it's working, but
I feel like it's not as well, but it's still.
worse in the back.
Have a good weekend.
Okay, just hiss. I don't hear any hum. I just hear hiss.
And is that is okay to hear a little bit?
Hiss is normal. Hiss is normal. Like, you know, like that's normal to hear a little bit. It's but hum isn't like what we were hearing.
And it
That hum is it's called a 60 cycle hum, and it could be worse or better in any building from venue to venue. Yes, if you go into some of the older places that may have older wiring, improperly grounded, you might be on the same line as a compressor, the air conditioner in a kitchen. You never know. Bottom line is that could be a lot louder from venue to venue.
Okay, so now we're testing the Serato cord, the USB, to see if possibly that's causing the problem while it's hooked into the computer. And the computer's plugged in, so it's not the computer plug, because I've had it be the computer plug before too. I've had that happen where I had to change out the charger.
This cable here.
Yes, because that was causing the issue. So at this point we pretty much determined it's not the cordless microphones. We checked 2 of them. It's not any of the cords. It's not the mix deck express, because we switched that out. So basically at this point it's not the computer. It could have just been the venue where I was playing, because as I mentioned, I was up here last week with Paul and everything checked out fine. And I went to the venue, it started buzzing. It was an older building, so I could have been plugged into a bad electrical line or
A line that's something else interfering with it, maybe.
okay. Alright, well thanks guys. We hope you enjoyed our video today of how to troubleshoot if you're having a problem with your DJ equipment. My name's DJ Shelly. Please don't forget to subscribe to Sounds by Shelly. And don't forget to check out patsmusiccenter.com for all your DJ equipment. Bye.